Hi, this is Joost Bullens from RME Audio. We're here at ISE 2020 at the RME booth, and one of our new products is the 12 mic. It's a new high-end digitally controlled microphone amplifier, which is capable not only to use as a preamplifier but also as a digital-to-digital converter. You have digital outputs with AVB, MADI and ADAT, which could be a very nice addition to your studio broadcast or live event equipment. It's very high-end preamps, which you are used to from RME. The routing can be done on the display here, or the routing can be done in a web interface. So it makes it very flexible to route your channels from one point to the second point. So this is actually how easy it goes, and thank you for listening, and see you at our RME website, rme-audio.com.